Once you have your LED strip pinned and glued to your hat, you're going to want to let that sit for at least 24 hours. Don't touch it, just leave it and make sure that that's all left to dry nicely. And then once you let that dry for about 24 hours, it's ready for fabric to go on the hat. So here we have our dry and ready hat. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to pin this on just like I did with the LEDs to the hat. You want to cut and measure whatever diameter and circumference this is here of the hat. So this hat was about 26 inches around and 6 inches wide. So I cut that out. I wanted to give a little bit of give just so I could overlap or underlap it, and it's stretchy so it'll be forgiving, which is really nice. So I'm going to pin that onto the hat, covering up the LEDs here. Just like so. If you measured out correctly, it should look really nice and not overlap with the top of the hat too much and end up looking something like this. So to fully attach this fabric, which I haven't done here yet, but what I would do is I would either use some more of this glue that we use to attach the LEDs up around the rim. I would do on the inside of the fabric, on the top of the fabric here, on the top of the hat, and as well as the bottom, or you could sew it into the hat. So for that, I would use a fairly thick needle and some really strong thread, but either option is up to you. So again, I would just glue around the rim here, either to the fabric or the hat, attaching and pinning in the same fashion that we did for the LEDs, or sew it. So your choice. And that's how we construct this part of the hat.